Yes, welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good to have you all of you watching me. Good afternoon, everyone. We're live. Good afternoon, everyone. We're live and direct. I'm just leaving and want to give you update on what we are going to discuss this evening. This evening, we'll be discussing the sit at home that they just observed today. And today I'm going to release another message. I'm going to release another message today. It is going to be, I don't know whether this is a prophecy message, but I'm going to release another message from the Spirit of God today. And this message will go to the leaders in Eastern Nigeria. The message will go to the leaders in Eastern Nigeria. They must take it very serious. This evening, I'm going to release this message. And I'm going to advise the leaders. I'm going to advise the leaders this evening. I'm going to advise the governors this evening. Very, very important. And if they like, they should take the advice I'm giving them this evening. If they like, they should ignore it. But it's a very serious thing. What is coming is very serious. What is coming is very, very serious. So the message came to me again, just like the autopilot came to me. So go and mark it today. Go and mark it today. Don't say I didn't. Don't say we did not. Don't say we did not warn you. Don't say we didn't say it. A message is coming today to the governors of the Southeast. Very, very important message. Very, very important message is coming to the people of the Southeast and South. And I want you to spread this video. Tell everybody that this evening broadcast is going to be bomb. It's going to be the bomb because I am going to advise a way forward. A way forward. The only way forward. I'm going to advise this evening. Everybody must pay attention to this. Very, very important. But you have to inform everybody. I don't want to begin to show you videos and pictures of the successful sit at home. I don't want to show you the video and successful sit at home, like after our leader and we all have supported the suspension. I don't want to show pictures because I am supporting the suspension as the command and control of our leader. But I'm going to advise. The advice is coming from the Holy Spirit. And you must pay attention to this one. This evening, I will give this advice, and it left for the governors to listen to it or not. Because I see danger coming. I see danger coming. And the danger is going to be a positive danger. I see danger coming. A lot of people are sending me messages. Congratulations on your prophecy. I did not give prophecy. I am not a prophet, okay? I am not a prophet, but I believe that in this struggle, God is speaking through some people. I believe that God is speaking through some people. Maybe sometime I could be one of those that God is speaking through. So, for those of you who have watched, who have followed my program, I have always asked God to give the leadership more wisdom to handle what is coming. So some of you will understand now that sometime I have been making program, and in the program I was asking God to give DOS, the leadership, the wisdom to handle what is coming. When I was saying these things, I don't know. I didn't know what I was saying. But if you go to watch some of the broadcasts we made, you will understand that several times I have made broadcasts and I have asked God to give the DOS strength and the wisdom. One more coming to the parking place. Oh my God. So, there we go. All right, so my people,